Using Afterpay on Best Buy is a convenient way to purchase the latest electronics and gadgets without paying the full amount up front. To get started, you need to have an Afterpay account, which can be created through the Afterpay website or mobile app. Once you have an Afterpay account, visit the Best Buy website and browse through the various products on offer. When you find the item you want to purchase, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment page, select Afterpay as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website where you will need to log into your account. After logging in, you will see the total cost of your purchase and the payment plan options available to you. Afterpay offers a 4-installment payment plan, where you pay a quarter of the total cost up front and the remaining 3 installments are due every 2 weeks. Review the payment plan carefully and confirm that you agree to the terms. Once you have confirmed your payment plan, you will be redirected back to the Best Buy website to complete your purchase. You will receive an email from Best Buy confirming your order and another email from Afterpay with the details of your payment plan. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. You can make your payments through the Afterpay website or mobile app, and you will receive reminders before each payment is due. If you are having trouble making a payment, contact Afterpay customer service for assistance. Using Afterpay on Best Buy is a great way to purchase the electronics you need without breaking the bank. Just remember to review the payment plan carefully and make your payments on time to avoid any additional fees. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of Afterpay and take home your new purchase today.